Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with MCQs based on previous year's JPSC PT question pattern, which is derived from the actual trends of past papers. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. Jharkhand was carved out of which state? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. West Bengal, D. Odisha. Answer is B. Bihar. Jharkhand was formed on 15th November 2000 after separation from Bihar. Second question. The Ul Gulan movement was mainly against A. British education policy, B. Land alienation and exploitation, C. Forest laws only, D. Jamindari tax system of Mughals. Answer is B. Land alienation and exploitation. Birsa Munda's Ul Gulan 1899 to 1900 was against British policies and land exploitation of tribals. Question number 3. The fifth schedule of Constitution deals with A. Union-state relations, B. Tribal areas, C. Tribal area administration, C. Official language, D. Emergency provisions. Answer is B. Tribal areas administration. Fifth schedule governs administration of scheduled areas relevant to Jharkhand. Question number 4. Hundru Falls is situated on which river? A. Suvarnarekha, B. Damodar, C. Koyal, D. Barakar. Answer is A. Suvarnarekha. Hundru Falls near Ranchi is formed by the Suvarnarekha river. Question number 5. The chairman of the Constituent Assembly was A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sardar Patel. Answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad presided over the Constituent Assembly. Question number 6. Which mineral is Jharkhand the largest producer of in India? A. Gold, B. Coal, C. Bauxite, D. Mica. Answer is B. Coal. Jharkhand has major coal fields like Jharia and Bokaro. Question number 7. The Tana Bhagat movement was started by A. Birsa Munda, B. Siddho Murmu, C. Jatra Bhagat, D. Tilka Manjhi. Answer is C. Jatra Bhagat. Jatra Bhagat started this movement in 1914 among around tribals. Question number 8. The governor can promulgate an ordinance under A. Article 123, B. Article 213, C. Article 356 and D. Article 368. Answer is B. Article 213. Ordinance making power to the governor. Question number 9. The Damodar river is called A. Sorrow of Jharkhand, B. Sorrow of Bengal, C. Sorrow of Bihar, D. Red River. Answer is B. Sorrow of Bengal. Frequent floods in West Bengal earned Damodar this name. Question number 10. The Lok Sabha can be dissolved by A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Speaker, D. Chief Justice. Answer is B. President. The President dissolves Lok Sabha on advice of the PM. Question number 11. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was elected Congress President at A. Surat session, B. Lahore session, Haripura session, D. Tripuri session. Answer is C. Haripura session. Bose was elected at Haripura, 1938. Question number 12. Which district is known for mica production in Jharkhand? A. Dhanbad, B. Hazaribagh, C. Koderma, D. Gumla. Answer is C. Koderma. Koderma is known as the mica capital of India. Question number 13. The Finance Commission is constituted every A. 3 years, B. 4 years, C. 5 years, D. 6 years. Answer is C. 5 years. Under Article 280, Finance Commission is appointed every 5 years. The headquarters of Central Coalfields Limited (CCL) is in A. Dhanbad, B. Ranchi, C. Bokaro, D. Jamshedpur. Answer is B. Ranchi. CCL, a subsidiary of Coal India, is headquartered at Ranchi. Question number 15. The right to constitutional remedies is under A. Article 19, B. Article 21, C. Article 32, D. Article 14. Answer is C. Article 32. Allows citizens to approach Supreme Court for rights enforcement. Question number 16. Tilka Manjhi was associated with A. 1857 revolt, B. Santhal rebellion, C. early tribal revolt against British, D. non-cooperation movement. Answer is C. Early tribal revolt against British. Tilka Manjhi led the revolt in 1784 against British operation. The question number 17. The literacy rate of Jharkhand as per census 2000. A 60%, B 63%, C 67%, D 72%. Answer is C 67%. Jharkhand literacy rate is around 66 to 67%. Question number 18. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? This question is asked many times. Options are A 6, B 7, C 8, D 9. Answer is C 8. It passes through 8 states including Jharkhand. Question number 19. The GST Council is chaired by A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Union Finance Minister, D. RBI Governor. Answer is A. Thank you.